Hey everybody, I made some sweet new gifts today, so stay tuned. I'm going to keep this quick so you guys can just go straight into the workout, and I'm going to explain your video reflection that you have to do after your workout today. Okay, that is going to be your exit ticket. So today we're going to review the zones quickly, and then we're going to work on feeling green and orange today during our workout. Okay, we have a resistance workout, and you're going to upload a 30-second video reflection afterward. So remember yesterday we talked about feeling green. Okay, so it's easy breathing, moderate sweating, just like a good workout going. Once we get to orange, that's when the heavy breathing starts. It's going to be like shorter exercises. Your muscles will probably start to feel fatigued. So I understand that during a resistance workout for at-home exercises, it might be a little bit tougher to get to this orange, but we're going to try today. Okay, so we're trying to go in between that moderate sweating to the heavy breathing while we're doing a resistance workout and not necessarily a cardio workout. Okay, so for today, you're going to need something heavy. So in my gifts, I have a backpack. Load that up with whatever you can. Okay, the heavier you can make it, the better, and the easier it's going to be to increase that heart rate. Okay, the lighter it's going to be, you're going to be confused about how to get to orange. Okay, we need it to be heavy. So if you have dumbbells at home, awesome. Use those. Really use whatever you can to make this tough for you. Okay, remember we're trying to get green and orange. So 5 rounds of 10 reps of all the exercises listed below. Okay, so there's only 6 exercises, but you're going 5 rounds. So the first one is a single leg Bulgarian split squat. So find something like a couch, whatever it is, a chair to put your back foot up on. So right leg forward, and all you're doing is dropping that back knee to the ground. Okay, you're going to do 10 reps of that, and then you're going to do 10 reps with your left leg forward. Okay, so just switch those legs. Then we're going to go straight into 10 push-ups. If you need to go on your knees, you can. Your feet will be a little bit tougher. Then we're going to do 10 planked shoulder taps. Okay, 10 each arm. 10 front raises. So again, the heavier the better. Keep those arms straight. Try not to use your body to swing that backpack up there, whatever you're using. And then 10 each side Russian twists. Okay, once you're done, we're going to go back to the top. You got 5 rounds of this. After you're done, you're going to upload a 30-second video reflection. Okay, in this reflection, you must say your name, because I'm trying to remember names to faces, which is going to be tough until we get back in person. You're going to show me 5 reps of your favorite exercise, and then 5 reps of your least favorite exercise. So start by saying, hi, I'm so-and-so. My favorite was Russian twists. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, my least favorite was front raises. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Show me what you did. Show me what you used for that. And then upload this here by midnight tonight. Sound good? Let me know if you guys have any questions.